Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel aka Nelly B, and today I'm going to give you all the tea on how I stop my excessive shedding. And by the tea, I mean yes, it's a tea. It's literally a tea that I use to stop my shedding. Now, if you've been following me on here a while, then you know, 1, I have PCOS, and 2, my hormones tend to shift like crazy, which often results in me losing a lot of my hair. I have been shedding like a cat, but since I started implementing this particular tea rinse, I have noticed a significant decrease in shedding. Now, shedding is not going to stop. On average, we shed about, I think they said 50 to 100 hairs a day, so that is expected. However, I was shedding probably 10 times that, and it was really disheartening to see that you're putting all this care into your hair and then you're losing all this hair in something as basic as me passing my hands through my hair and hair was coming out. So this particular tea rinse is what I've been using. I've been seeing a big difference. Actually saw a difference after 1 or 2 uses. And if you saw my video where I talked about my wash day with Curls Dynasty, I would have mentioned that I missed out a step. This is the step that I missed out in that video, so now I'm going to show you how I do this tea rinse to stop the shedding in my hair. So I use the Twinings English Breakfast Tea mainly because that's the one that I could find in the grocery nearest me. I paid $30, I believe, for this box, and my ratio for the tea rinse is using 1 tea bag to a half cup of water. Now, out of that half cup of water, I will get 2 uses of, or 2 applications of the tea rinse. So it's just steeping it in the hot water. If I don't need it right away, I will let it cool out on the counter, but if I need it really soon, I will put it in the fridge to cool until the rinse is at about room temperature. Once it's at room temperature, I'm just going to put it in my spray bottle, and once it's in my spray bottle, it's ready to use. So my hair is already shampooed and conditioned, and I'm going in with spraying it as close to my scalp or as on my scalp as I could get, and I also kind of just massage it into my scalp and along the upper parts of my strands. I would suggest that you try to lean forward because of course it's water based, so it's going to run down your neck. And I follow that up with my deep conditioner. This one is from Main Choice. This is really good for stopping shedding, well, excessive shedding, because the tea has caffeine, and caffeine blocks DHT, which is an androgen hormone, which is a hormone that is linked to male pattern baldness in men as well as women who have PCOS, because those of us who have PCOS have a higher presence of the androgen hormone. So once I'm done putting in my deep conditioner, I'm just gonna put my shower cap on, and then I'm wrapping my hair in a t-shirt after, just so that the excessive liquid doesn't run down my neck, because I just find that a bit annoying. I leave it in for about 45 minutes to an hour, and I rinse it out, and I'm good to go. That's it. And that is it. It's not that hard, it's not that complicated. You just have to put an extra step into your wash day, but for me the benefits have definitely been there, and I'm seeing it. I just have to make sure and stay consistent and keep up with it so that the shedding doesn't come back. So thank you all so much for watching. As always, do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.